Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic glitter pen. This tutorial is beginner friendly and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. I started with a black Papermate InkJoy pen. If you gently lift up the clip, there's a little button inside that you can push with something pointy to release the top and remove the ink and the spring from inside. I'm using a small wooden dowel to hold on to the pen while I'm working on it. First, I used a small paintbrush to apply a coat of glossy Mod Podge all over the outside of the pen except for the pointed end. Then I sprinkled a generous coat of fine craft glitter all over the Mod Podge and propped up the pen against a wall to dry. If you sprinkle the glitter over a piece of paper, you can easily fold it up and pour the excess back into the package. After letting that dry for about an hour, I used a bristled brush to gently scrape away the excess glitter. Then I repeated those steps over again to apply a second coat of Mod Podge and glitter. After letting that second coat dry for another hour, I applied a thin layer of UV resin all over the pen just using my fingers with a gloved hand. There are links to all of the products I'm using in the description of this video. You can also use 2-part resin for this. I just prefer UV resin because it cures much faster. I used a swab to clean up any excess glitter or resin from the tip of the pen and then stuck it under my UV lamp for just a few minutes. I kept rotating the wooden dowel to keep the pen moving and prevent the resin from building up in one spot or dripping off. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the resin was fully cured, but the texture of the glitter was still a little bit rough and sharp in a couple of places. So I took some sandpaper and filed down any areas that were sticking out. When you sand down resin, it looks really ugly and scratched at first, but you can wipe away any dust with some rubbing alcohol, and then the next coat of epoxy will cover up the scratches and make it look nice and shiny again. I applied a second coat of resin after sanding and again put it under the UV lamp for another couple of minutes to cure. Once it was done, I put the pieces of the pen back together again, and that's all there is to it. If you're using this type of pen that has a hole in it where you poke the button to remove the top, I'd recommend taping that off from the inside to avoid getting any resin or glitter inside the body of the pen. And here is the finished product. Once everything is sealed with the resin, that glitter is not going anywhere. This pen is super durable and very smooth to the touch. The shiny finish makes the glitter sparkle even more. This is a super basic pen, but of course you can customize this by adding some vinyl stickers or getting fancy with multiple colors of glitter or do an ombre effect. The sky is the limit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!